corn for dinner, cook with canola oil, or eat cereal for breakfast, chances are you're taking in genetically modified organisms. The non-GMO project defines a genetically modified organism as an organism whose DNA has been altered using genetic engineering techniques. I've been practicing eating GMO-free foods for over a year now, and I can honestly say I feel healthier and more energized. According to my class survey result, only 80% of you of the topic at hand rings a bell. Therefore, today I will explain exactly what a genetically modified organism is, or a GMO. A few health risks the main health risks of consuming them, and a few simple steps you can take to avoid them. Let me begin by explaining exactly what a GMO is. The Institute for Responsible Technology stated in an online report that this relatively new science allows the creation of a combination of plants, animals, and bacteria that doesn't occur in nature. The foreign genes may come from bacteria, viruses, insects, or other animals. An example of a GMO is the tomato, was the first one to be a victim of this technology. The antifreeze genes from an Arctic fish was forced into the tomato's DNA, allowing the plants to survive frost. GMOs are produced to grow faster, survive extreme weather conditions, they are pest resistant, and they have a longer shelf life for easier shipping. Not only is it important to understand what a GMO is, it's also important to understand the main health risks of consuming them. There's three. I will begin with the first, which is infertility. Infertility is the state of being unable to produce offspring. The Austrian health ministers reported in a study done in 2008 that mice-fed GMO corn had greatly impaired fertility compared to mice-fed non-GMO corn. These mice were shown to give birth to babies that died within weeks of birth, actually up to 99% of them. A report published last spring by the American Academy of Environmental Medicine showed those who regularly ingested GMO foods are likely to be sick, age faster, and have a harder time getting and staying pregnant. In this picture, we can see the mouse to the left was born from a mother that was fed non-GMO foods. The mouse to the right was born from a mother who was fed only genetically modified corn. Genetically modified organisms can also trigger life-threatening allergic reactions. And understanding why GMOs do this is the imported genes produce a new protein which a consumer may have never ingested before. In March 1999, researchers at York Lab claimed to discover allergens to soy has skyrocketed up to 50% since the use of GMOs in 1996. And the last possibility is the possibility of developing cancer. A study in the published Food and Chemical Technology or Toxicology journal found that eating GM corn had caused their lab rats to develop tumor. The study fed these rats the GMO corn that's grown across America. This is the same GMO corn that's in your corn-based cereal. These tumors were so large that the rats had difficulty breathing. I actually got this picture off of their website. Dr. Michael Antiu, a molecular biologist from King's College London, stated that this research shows extraordinary number of tumors developing earlier and more aggressively. 30 countries around the world, such as Australia, Japan, and they have completely banned the production of GMOs. There's no proof that GMOs are safe, and America needs to jump on this bandwagon. There's a few steps you can take to avoid consuming GMOs. The first is to eliminate high fructose corn syrup from your diet. This is found in cereals, soda cans. If you just look under the ingredients, look for high fructose corn syrup. You can also look for the non-GMO Project Verified label. This is found in organic markets such as Ada's, Fresh Market carries them as well. However, here in Florida, you're better off looking for the USDA organic label. The United States Department of Agriculture can verify that this product is organic, it's not used with GMO projects at all. GMOs are taking over the United States food supply, and people need to know exactly what they are putting into their bodies. So today I've explained to you exactly what a genetically modified organism is, a few steps you can take to avoid them, and the main health risks with consuming them. So taking care of our bodies is something we work on a day-to-day basis. We always need to make sure we're healthier and we're feeling more energized. The body, after all, is a temple.